Hello, friends. Today we are going to count very slowly from 1 to 10. 1. 1. Can you say 1? 2. 2. Can you say 2? 3. 3. Can you say 3? 4. 4. Can you say 4? 5. 5. Can you say 5? 6. 6. Can you say 6? 7. 7. Can you say 7? 8. 8. Can you say 8? 9. 9. Can you say 9? 10. 10. Can you say 10? You did a great job. We counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for counting with me. See you next time.